Hey guys, it's 1857. Good luck, mini winner 1 on the bottom, mini winner 2 on top. Nice trios card up for grabs here. We are live. 1857 and 21 seconds into the randomizer, over to the dice roller, 2 dice, no snake eyes. And we have 8 on the dice there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times we've gone. We've got Robert on top, mini winner 2 on the bottom. We are going 8, 6 and 2. Final round at 18:57 and 58 seconds. The winner is Ryan, spot 3. Congrats, Ryan. Well done. Alrighty guys, it's 18:58 and 6 seconds and we are done.